Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing great. So today I'm going to show you this DIY IKEA hack that is transforming this IKEA TARVA bedhead unit into an on-trend, fluted, or you could say ribbed custom sideboard for my bedroom. This is an easy doable DIY using minimal tools, and it will definitely give your affordable IKEA TARVA bedhead unit into a more high-end luxury look for less. If you have this IKEA TARVA bedhead unit, you need to try this DIY. Follow along as I show you the full tutorial as you can achieve this exact same look for yourself. All the products or tools used are mentioned in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.